Hi guys, Marill here, and today I have this little wonder. I bought this thing for 25 bucks. It said it powered off after running it, but I've never successfully repeated that process, so if I can clean it up and make it really nice, it'll work. I've already got the battery out of it. It's just disgusting, so I figured this video can be. We'll clean it really well, probably swap the back for this other pink back I have, swap a couple of the buttons out, Make this thing look almost new again, and I think I can make it like I can sell it for like 60. So that's going to be today's plan. So let's get into the time lapse. All right, so here it is. We have the DS, and it's been cleaned, so it looks way better. The inside definitely looks better, and the outside, I replaced the back, and I put the stylus in it, this little GBA thing in it, and it looks way better, obviously. And I think I'm gonna list it. The only problem is that I didn't realize that I couldn't go in there. That's literally the inside of the top screen. So what you'd have to do is you literally have to pull these off, pull that off, and I'm not comfortable doing that because every time, if I were doing a full case replacement, I would, but I'm not doing a case replacement on this. It's, you know, so I'm gonna charge it up, run it for a while, and I think, thank y'all so much for watching this little time lapse. It's gonna be listed on my Facebook page, which I'm not gonna make public. Eventually, I do want to have my own website built, so thanks for watching.